So next we'll be seeing about the third video on IoT, about the introduction to IoT. So in this introduction to IoT, we'll be looking over how IoT is a powerful and pervasive in the sense how it is getting influenced to everyday day-to-day life environment. For example, it is a work area. For example, it is a home automation, or it is an industrial area. How it is getting pervased in the every area of a world. So the interface to the cloud. So that's, for example, the different applications that are the AI program is being there for manufactured by different vendors such as Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant and Apple Siri and Microsoft Cortana has a unique AI that is programmed to search in the web, and it is providing the solution on the user needs. So this is how this is the basic of an IoT, which is connected to the cloud, and it is getting the data. Um, so the networking is very powerful. The IoT device interface can leverage a powerful server and large database. It is getting accessed over different database servers around the globe, and it is getting the data from the best solution that is suitable for us from the searching over in the different webs. So the IoT is pervasive. So which indicates at home the TV or a game machine can listen to your command. So nowadays a lot of smart TVs has been enabled with the Google Home. It can able to accept the command of the user so that it can search the content what the user required, or it automatically predicts the content that what actually the user needs. The home automation system can control different appliances in our home, such as mixtures and lights and fans. Everything can be controlled over different artificial intelligence tool and also by the users through IoT. So the IoT at work, we can monitor the workforce of different employees through Netcam, and also the RFID readers can monitor whether the person is present or absent for a particular day in his work. And the upcoming videos will deliberately show how the IoT has made an impact on the daily workforce and also in the office environment.
This video presents the Smart Office Management System IoT solution for smart buildings. Lucas is an office administrator. He can monitor and manage his office using a web application 24/7. For example, Lucas is going to prepare a meeting room for a call using the application. He can set the temperature, the lighting, turn on an electrical appliance, etc. Such a solution can also support the tracking of the water supply, sewage, and gas pipelines, and provide security and power statistics. Also, you can program the lights and electronics to turn off at a certain time. How does it work? Measurements of different sensors and electric appliances are periodically sent through the network protocols to the local server. When the office administrator accesses the system with a web application, he can see all data stored in the server. From the web UI, he can interact with such devices like AC, TV, lights, etc. Our team can apply these technologies to your projects. This video
I hope you have seen what is the applications of the IoT in office environment. So let us see how it is being IoT devices are being interacted with our human body, such as by using the mobile phones and insulin pumps for the sugar patients. Here in there are two pictures has been mentioned. So this is what a insulin pump that has been monitored, can be monitor the device through an app which is connected over the cloud, so that the doctor can monitor how many insulin doses the person does have per day. Everything can be monitored over this healthcare appliances. And this is a IIT Madras based startup company, Helixon. It is a temperature sensor which will be tied over the baby arm, so that they can able to monitor the temperature of the baby, whoever in the particular with the taken to the home. They can monitor if there is any irregularity in the temperature, so that precautionally they can able to measure the temperature, and they can um, give the solution for them for the better healthful things. So everywhere the IoT is available. For example, the traffic camera, the traffic lights can be IoT based traffic cams are being implemented in a variety of countries, where they can able to monitor the traffic cams, and so that they can have efficiently manage the traffic in a particular road. So that's all about the IoT, which is being very powerful and pervasive one, and it is being adopted by every country and every person. And India is fastly growing with the internet speed, and definitely a lot of IoT products will be available in future. And you all be the developers of the particular IoT. And thank you. We'll be seeing you over in the next lecture.